welcome back to Sai SS Academy. Today we are going to take the last part of our 6th class geography. Okay, first chapter. Okay, the last part, that means we covered up to the topic, and next we have to take the topic, the earth. Okay, the earth. Look, it's our own planet. What is it? It's our own planet, isn't it? Yes. And it is the third nearest planet to the sun. In size, 5th largest planet. Slightly flattened at the poles, described as geoid. Okay. X. I will discuss about it. Yeah. Why Earth is an important planet? I said that Earth is an important planet. Why? The Earth is an important planet in the solar system. May that we are living in the planet, that's why. We people are living on there, that's why very important personalities are living in this planet, that's why we are calling Earth as an important planet. No, it is not like that. Why? Because only life exists on the Earth. Life exists only on this Earth. We learned about the 8 planets, and this planet, life exists only on the Earth, isn't it? And it is the third nearest planet to the sun. It is the third nearest planet to the sun, and by size it is the 5th largest planet. Okay, so by size 5th largest, and nearest to sun it is the third planet. Okay, and listen, and just I am going to draw the, look, here it is flattened, and here it is flattened. It is not a correct circular shape. Okay, at the pole side we know that this is north pole and this is south pole, and by the both pole side the shape of the earth is flattened. Got it? And this shape is called as a geoid. What is it? Geoid. So it is described as a slightly flattened at the poles, and so the shape of the earth is described as geoid. Okay children, got it? Next, Earth supports life. Okay, Earth supports life. Here, in our Earth, there are favorable conditions to support the life. Okay, conditions support for our life when compared to the other planet, it is only on Earth. And Earth has neither too cold and nor too hot. Okay, so that is why the life is possible on Earth. And next, take about the water and air. So that means there are the water and air is on our earth. Without water, how can we live? Without air, how can we live? Isn't it? So both the things are there on our earth. So we need water for drinking, we need water for washing, we need water for bathing, we need water to drink. Everything is there. So for all the purpose, the water is there in our earth. And the air is also there. Air means oxygen is there. That is why it helps us to breathe. Without breathing we can't live, no? That is why the life supports on the earth, because this oxygen and water is there. Next, from the space photographs. Space photographs, it shows that space photographs shows the earth in blue color. Why? Because the 2/3, okay, 2/3 of our earth is covered with the water. The 2/3 of our earth's surface is covered with water. This 2/3 of our earth is covered with the water, and the color of the water seems as blue in the photograph. Got it? That is why when the photographs from the spaces shows that earth in the blue color, and we called the earth as a blue planet also. Here comes a question. The earth is the unique planet of the solar system. Why? We already learned what are the things that earth supports the life. Earth is not too hot nor too cold, and it has water and air, and all the things are favorable for the supporting life on the earth. That is why the earth is an unique planet when compared to the other planets on the solar system. Got it children? So, which are the topics we covered now? First, when we started the chapter, that is in the first video, I already took this the celestial bodies, and what are the celestial bodies there? The stars we took, and we took the constellations. We discussed about the pole star, and then we came to the solar system. We learned about the planets, isn't it? We learned about the planets, and now I took the portion Earth also. Next we are moving to the topic the moon. Okay, yes children. Next I am going to teach you about the moon. Okay. The moon is the only one satellite of the earth. It appears so big. When we look onto the sky, it appears so big. Why? Because it is only 384,400 kilometers away from us. Okay. But it is so smaller than our earth. It looks big when we look to the sky, but it is so smaller than our earth. Okay. The moon has its own orbit to move around the earth. So, this is earth. Okay. This is earth and the moon has its own orbit to rotate around the earth. Okay. Next, why the earth is orbit? We know that this is sun. Okay. This is sun and our earth is here, isn't it? Earth is revolving around the sun. At the same time, with the earth, the moon is also revolving around the sun. So, both the earth and the moon together, they are revolving around the earth. Okay. That means while earth is orbiting the sun, the moon is also orbiting around the sun. While it is orbiting around the earth, two things are they doing. It is orbiting around the earth. At the same time, with the earth, it is orbiting around the sun too. And in the childhood days, you heard a lot of stories. That means one rabbit is sitting in the moon. Some shapes are seen there, no? So, many childhood stories you heard. But it is not true. Actually, what are the shapes that we are seeing on the moon? They are the shapes of the mountains. Okay, they are the shades. They are the shades of the mountains on the moon. Moon has also no light. Another thing is that like the earth, moon have also no light. It also getting the light from the sun. The planets have no light like that. The moon has also no light. The moon has also getting light from the sun. Okay children. Next our topic is asteroids. Okay. Asteroids. Apart from the sun, stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies moves around the sun. Okay. They are nothing. By learning about this, we think about what is this? They are nothing, but they are the broken part of the planets. Okay, they are the some tiny bits of or broken part of the planets. The asteroid belts are found between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. We already learned our planets are there now. The Mars and Jupiter, in between the asteroid belts are formed. Okay, the scientists already found the asteroid belts in between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter. Okay, next it is meteorites. Okay, what are meteorites? Meteorites are shooting stars. Okay, meteorites are shooting stars. They are smaller rocks which moving around the solar system. These smaller rocks are also moving around the solar system. Even by time, when they are coming near to any planet, we know that the planets have the gravitational pull. All the planets have the gravitational pull. Okay, the planets have their own gravitational pull. Due to the gravitational pull of the planets, these meteoroids, they are coming to our sky, and what happens? That means if any meteoroid is coming to our sky, that means Earth's sky, what happens? We know that oxygen is there, isn't it? And the oxygen has the tendency to burn. When they enter the Earth's sky, the friction with oxygen get heated up. The friction with the oxygen. Okay. The friction with the oxygen get heated up and these rocks, they get burned. Okay. That is why when it is going like, it is a burning piece of rock going like this, we are calling it as a shooting stars. Like this, when a burned piece coming like this, we used to call them as the shooting stars. Got it? Next is galaxy. Okay. On a clear star night, do you see a whitish broad band of glowing white path across the sky? Did you see a whitish, that a glowing path like that on the sky? This band is a cluster of millions of stars. This whitish band that we see on the sky is a cluster of millions of stars. Okay. This band is the Milky Way galaxy, and this cluster of stars is called as Milky Way galaxy. Okay. Our solar system is the part of this Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this Milky Way galaxy. Yes, in ancient India, it was believed that a river of light was flowing through this sky. A river of that light was flowing through the sky. Okay, like this. It was flowing through this sky. And the people, and what is the meaning of Akash? Akash means sky. In English, it is sky. Yes, and the people called it as, ancient people called it as Akash Ganga. Why? In Akash or the sky, Ganga. Ganga is the name of the river, no? The river is flowing. So they called it as Akash Ganga. Got it? Yes. And what is a galaxy then? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, cloud of dust and gases. Okay, once more, what is galaxy? Galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes a universe. Would you believe that? That means not only one galaxy is there. There are millions of galaxies are there. Okay, and we are not certain of its size, but we know only one thing. Me and you people are all the part of our universe. Got it, children? And the millions of such galaxies are now called as this universe, and we don't know about the certain that size of that galaxies or this universe, but we know only one thing. Me and you people are all the part of this universe. Okay, so this chapter is over and here ends it, and only one thing I have to say, did you subscribe my channel? If not, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you. We'll see you soon on the next video. Bye.